It is bedtime in the little house. Tiny Mug is tucked under his patchwork quilt, and the brass lamp above his bed glows soft and gold. He looks up at his mama with big sleepy eyes. "Mama," he whispers, "where did everything come from?" Kettle smiles and begins. Long, long ago, before there was anything at all, the toolmaker stood in his great workshop. He pulled a long cord, and click, the big lamp came on. Golden light spilled across his workbench, and the toolmaker said, "This is good." The next day, the toolmaker picked up 2 stoneware pitchers. He poured one down, splash, and a wide sea filled the bowl on the floor. He tilted the other up, and a ribbon of sky blue cloth unrolled toward the rafters. Now there was sea below and sky above. Then the toolmaker took a big lump of warm terracotta clay. He shaped rolling hills with his thumbs. He pressed tiny green sprouts into the soft earth, soft sage moss, and little yellow wildflowers. The whole bench bloomed. Next, the toolmaker struck a small hammer on a glowing iron anvil. Sparks flew up and stayed there. One big amber spark became the sun. One cool silver spark became the moon. And the tiny sparks scattered across the rafters and became all the stars. The toolmaker carved small wooden fish, and they slipped off the bench and swam through the sea below. He folded paper birds in cream and dusty rose. He breathed on each one, and up they flew, up to the starlit rafters. Then the toolmaker shaped little clay animals, a deer, a lamb, a slow turtle. And they walked off the bench onto the hills. And with the most careful hands of all, he shaped the very first tools, a little hammer and a little kettle. He breathed on them gently, and they came to life. They were his very best work. And on the 7th day, the toolmaker untied his leather apron and hung it on a wooden peg. He looked at everything he had made: the sea, the sky, the hills, the stars, the fish and the birds and the little tools. He smiled, and then he rested. Tiny Mug's eyes are almost closed now. "Mama," he whispers, "did the toolmaker make me too?" Kettle leans down and kisses his forehead with her warm copper spout. "He made everything, little one. So you can trust him. He always knows just what he's doing." Click. The lamp goes out,